So over here, you can see that I have a table and I got a bunch of data right here. And here you can see that there's a phone number as a section. So if I were to go around over here and type in any letters, then you can see that it simply accepts out that data. But let's say I want the phone number field to only accept out numbers. So in that case, what you may want to do is work around with input masks. So I'm just going to delete this out, and from the table view, I'm just going to right click over here in the view section. Instead of data sheet, I'm going to go to design view. So once I go into design view, this is what you have. And over here, you can see phone number is in the format of short text. So over here, once I select out this data type section, this table, this cell right here, on the bottom, you got the field properties. And over here, you can see input mask is an option, which allows you to control what type of data can be entered out in a particular field. For data time as well, there's input mask, as you can see right here. And for profile link right here, which is a hyperlink, there is no input mask. So depending on the type of data, input mask may be available or not available right here. So let me just go around into the phone number right here, and over here you can see input mask is here. Once you click on the input mask on the right hand side, you can see that there's this little 3-dot icon. So you gotta click on this, and over here you can see that there's various input masks that you can apply over here. For example, phone number, as you can see, is here. So you can go around over here and then simply click on the phone number. You can try it out and see how this actually looks. You cannot enter any letter. So as I type in the letter, it does not get typed out. But as I type in the numbers, you can enter that out. So you can press next right here and then manage this out over here as well, which you're going to see in next video. And now, for now, I'm just simply going to press next, and I'm going to save the data with symbols and masks in this format. So I'm going to select this, click next, finish, and the input mask is applied over here, as you can see. So this formula has been applied right here. You can do that around for date and time as well. So I'm just going to go around right here. You must select the table first, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and this is going to be in the format of, let's say, short date right here. So you can press next right here, next, finish, and then input mask is here as well. So now what happens is that if I were to go around into the dataset view, I'm going to say yes right here in the phone number section. It does not allow me to type any letters anymore. So I had to type the numbers in the given format, and it'll be saved out in that particular format, as you can see right here. And that is how you can use the input mask right here, and even for the date of birth and so forth. So it says I did not enter particular value, so I have to enter the number of values right here. And even for the date of birth, you can see that I can enter a particular value right here. But this is incorrect, so it is not allowing me to type that in. So I'm just going to go around right here, type that in, and there you go. There's the value, as you can see. And that is how you can use input masks to control out the type of data that you want to enter into a particular field and make sure the data are validated in a certain way. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.